I welcome everyone in this video chair. We are going to discuss about DBMS languages. So DBMS languages in the case it is in data manipulation languages, data definition languages, and data transaction control languages and data control languages. So in the previous video we have already discussed about DDL and DML. So in this video we are going to discuss about transaction control languages and data control languages, that is called TCL and DCL. So transaction control language. There are the following commands used to control the transactions. So when we are using a transaction control language, we will be knowing about this commands. That is following commands. That is commit, rollback, save point, set transaction. Where you will be using this command is the transaction control language. Commands are only used with the DML commands. So DML command is you already know. Insert and update and delete all the DML commands. While you are using these DML commands, you will be going for a transaction. In the transaction, you will be using commit, rollback, and save point. So they cannot be used while creating a tables or dropping them because these operations are automatically committed in the database. So with an example, we can see how we are going to use the TCL, that is transaction control language command, in with the while we are inserting, updating, and deleting a table records. So commit command is a transactional command used to save changes invoked by a transaction to a database. So commit command saves all the transaction to a database since the last commit or rollback command. Syntax will be commit. Whereas a rollback command, it is a transactional command used to undo the transaction. So undo, we know what is mean undo. What is a operation set for undo? That has not already been saved to a database. A rollback, we can roll back to the previous stage. That is called as a rollback command. Can be only used to do undo transactions in the last commit or rollback. That is once for example, you take an example: stage 1, stage 2 commit, stage 3, stage 4. So once you go do undo, you can directly go for stage 2. That is before a commit. Before the commit, some changes can be given. I once again repeat: stage 1, stage 2 commit, stage 3, stage 4. When you go do undo, you will be automatically coming to stage 2 of output. That is after the commit you will get. So what are the changes you needed in stage 3 and stage 4? You can give. That is the rollback. You can go back. That is the meaning called rollback. Syntax will be a rollback. Whereas a save point is nothing but you can save some set of points. That is stage 1, stage 2, commit, stage 3, stage 4, save point, save 5, stage 5 and stage 6. When you get a rollback, you can go to the save point of stage 4 and stage 5. So some operations can be deleted in stage 6 and 7. 5 and 6 can be deleted. So save point is nothing but you can put some thing in a save point and you can roll back to the save point. So from there, if you want to do some corrections, you can again do some set of correction. So syntax will be save point underscore name, roll back to that save point underscore name. Take an example: stage 1, stage 2 commit. So it cannot be changed. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4 save point, stage 5, stage 6. You can roll back to the save point after stage 4. It is very easy. So we will be using the command called save point. Then release save point. You can release some set of save point and you can commit it, or you can roll back, and you can do anything. That is a release save point command is used to remove a save point that you have created. For example, you have created a save point in stage 4. You can release the save point by using the command called release save point underscore name. That is an you can specify some set of name. Take an example: create table student ID int name where character city where character of 20. What is the table name here? Student. What is the column? ID name city. What is the data type? Integer where character of 30 where character of 20. Start transaction is the first command given for transaction control language. Then what you are going to do? DML, that is inserting a student value. You are giving an 101 as a first ID, Arun as a name, where of Chennai, that is for city of where of 20. Another data, that is 102 Adi Nellu. So both has been given. So the table is created. Now what you are going to do? You are going to give a save point of yes. This is the name you are giving for a save point. After giving this command, you are inserting two values 103 and 104. Select star from student, it will be displaying 4. Initially, you have inserted two records. After giving save point, you have inserted two records. Now roll back to save point. That is, we will be coming this stage. So before this stage, how the table will be? 101 and 102 will consist of two records. So once you give the roll back to save point, select star from student table name, only two data will be there. So that is the usage of save point. Next we go for data control language. This is, we are going to control the language. So there are two commands called grant and revoke. Syntax will be grant permission on. This should be a keyword. Objects to account. So that the entity to an account will be giving a permission, that is granting a permission. So example query you can take, grant is a command keyword, insert on employees. So I have already told, whereas a TCL and DML, it can be used in DML, that is insert, update and delete command. So insert on employees. Employee is an object to public, to an account. So employees are object can be made to a public. So there is another query, grant select comma update. Both can be done on employee to username to an account. Object employee to username account. See, so command, next command is revoke, that is revoke permission on object from account. So from account can be, you can take a revoke. So you are granting a permission and you can revoke. So that is revoke select on student from username. So this is an account, this is an object, student is an object. So these are the two commands that is used in DCL. So in this video we have discussed about transaction control language and data control language that can be done only in a DML queries, that is insert, update and delete queries. We will be using these two types of commands for saving a record, and we will be, once we want to take a rollback or in a transaction control language, we can easily go take a rollback by using a rollback command, and we can have some set of save points. And when we use a data control language, we will be using a grant and revoke method to give permission on objects to an account and from objects from an account. Both can be done simultaneously by using a two command. Thank you.